Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to dribble a basketball. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, we have a very simple basketball, and dribbling is more of an art form than a science. I want you to take your basketball and I want you to sort of pass it between your hands back and forth like this, okay? So you're passing it and sort of cushioning on each side, just like that, okay? Bringing your arms out on either side. And when you do this, you'll notice you're not slapping the ball like this. You're using your fingers, okay, to maneuver the ball back and forth, and you're using a lot of wrist action instead of a lot of hand action. Now when you dribble the ball, it's going to be the same thing. You're doing the exact same thing, but instead of passing it from hand to hand, you're passing it to the ground. So you're going to be passing it to the ground, it's going to come back up. So what I want you to do is just grab it, dribble it, catch it, like that. I'm going to move this, there's like a cap over here from a water bottle. I don't want to hit the water bottle cap. Just like that. Dribble it, catch it, just like that. And you'll notice I'm not going like this, okay? I'm using my wrist. You can see I'm kind of going like that. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna use your wrist to control the dribble, and you're not palming the ball, using your fingertips, basically, your fingertips and your fingers to sort of bounce the ball like that. And when you bring it all together, it's gonna look something like this. I want you to start off by dribbling really high, because it's gonna give you actually a lot of bounce. So you want you to dribble like up, almost up to your chest if you can. And then eventually the ultimate dribble is when you bring it down to like your waist level. So start off by dribbling up all the way up to your chest, like that, okay? Really high, like that. Then bring it lower, lower, lower. And this is really where you want your dribble to be, around your waist level, just like that. Practice going side to side, just like that. So you can see what I'm doing there. Don't worry about the ball hitting the ground if you couldn't see that. You're focusing more on my hand motion. Don't worry about the ball hitting the ground. So check this out. Using lots of wrist movements. Now this ball is actually not as pumped up as it should be. Let me get my face on camera here. This ball is actually not as pumped up as it should be. Basically dribbling is really easy to do. All that you want to do is make sure that you're using more of your wrist than your hand. So just like this, okay? Just your wrist and your fingertips. Not slapping the ball, not using your whole arm, just your wrist. Start off by dribbling the ball like up to your chest level if you can. And if this ball was pumped up a bit more, it would be a bit easier to do. I should have pumped it before making this video. But start off by dribbling the ball up to your chest level if you can, and then what you want to do is bring it lower and lower. And the ideal level of control is around your waist level, just like that. Go side to side, practice with one hand, other hand, just like that. And then what you want to do when you've practiced dribbling and you get good at it, to get even better, is go side to side like this. Just like that. And then the last step is to sort of walk as you dribble. So you can walk forward and backwards as you dribble. Just like that. And that's it. That is essentially how to dribble a basketball. It's really easy. It's not hard to do, but practice makes perfect. No matter what you want to do with the basketball, whether it's dribble the basketball, whether it's spin it around, do whatever you want to do, all that it takes is practice. You just got to practice and you'll get it right. Use the right technique, keep practicing, and you'll be good to go. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.